Want. They want to visit new cities. Give. He gives me a document. Use. I use my phone for everything. Tell. She tells a fun story. Ask. She asks the audience something. Work. They work hard every day. Feel. I feel happy today. Try. She tries on a dress. Call. I will call you later. Show. He shows his drawing. Hear. She hears carefully. Run. I run every morning. Believe. I believe in you. Bring. He brings fish from the market. Write. She likes to write stories. Sit. Please sit here. Stand. She stands in front of the chair. Lose. I lost my wallet yesterday. Pay. I will pay for dinner. Meet. They meet for the first time. Continue. They continue the discussion. Set. He set the table for dinner. Learn. I want to learn a new language. Lead. He leads a team of engineers. Create. He creates a list for shopping.